Alright, hey, what's up everybody? This is Mr. Sandlin. I am going to take you through the steps for creating your artist statement for the Elements of Me art show. First thing you need to do, open up Internet Explorer, and you want to go to a website called Vocaroo. It's vocaroo.com. It's VOCAROO.com. Alright, when you get there, you'll notice it says click to record. You'll have a microphone with kind of a volume indicator. Make sure when you're recording, guys, that your volume is not all the way up, because what will happen is it starts to, sound quality gets really bad. So I usually put it about in the middle. So the first thing that you're going to do is click to record, and it'll ask you if you want to allow it. You say yes, and then it starts recording. So everything that I'm speaking now is being recorded. So this is where you will actually record your artist statement and talk about what your art piece means to you. As well as discuss maybe some of those things that we've included on the rubric for you. So once you've gotten your artist statement completed and you've read it, I also encourage let me backtrack, that you make sure that you write it out before you record it. That being said, because if you stumble through it, you may need to record it a couple of times. The one thing that stinks about Vocaroo is you cannot edit it. So whatever you record is what you get. There's no way to go back and edit things out. So once you've got your recording to your liking, you're going to click stop. Okay, and it gives you an option to retry or re-record if you want to, or you can listen to it. So you can listen and make sure it sounds all right. If you're happy with it and it sounds great, down here you'll see where it says click here to save. Click on that. And then what will happen is it's going to actually give you a URL address. So what you need to do next is copy your URL address, and then you're going to go to another site called qrstuff.com. Again, that's qrstuff.com. And then when you get here, you'll notice you'll see all this crazy information and stuff. Don't fool with any of this stuff on the left. Only thing that you want to do is come to here, delete out the URL that's previously there, or if there is one, and then hit paste. Okay? So then what's going to happen is whatever you recorded will now be generated a QR code. Okay? As you're generating them, guys, please, I cannot stress this enough, don't mess with the color of your QR code. Please keep it black. We want the show to be uniformed and everything looks similar. Alright, so as you're doing it, make sure that you keep the QR code black. We don't want to have like one hot pink QR code in the middle of all these black QR codes. So I cannot stress that enough. Also, once you're done with that, what you're going to do is you're going to click right here where it says download QR code. So you're going to click on that. It's going to ask you if you want to save it. You can save it wherever you want. I'm going to do save as. I'm going to say Mr. Sandlin. Alright, I'm going to save that to my desktop. It may look a little bit different if you're using a Macintosh, but for the most part it should be the same thing. Alright, so then what it'll tell you is that your QR code has downloaded. Then you can go to your desktop, you'll see it here, and then what you need to do is open Word. Okay? So what you need to do next is you need to create in a Times New Roman size 12 your name and then artist statement. Okay? Make sure it's centered in the page. After you've done that, what you're going to do next is you are going to open your QR code, right click, and hit copy. Okay? Then what you're going to do, go back to your Word document, right click again, paste. So then your QR code is inside the document with your title. Okay? So again, make sure that you're on Times New Roman, and we want to do 12, alright, for our font size so that everything looks uniform. So make sure you're doing that, okay? Alright, then once you've got it in here, you're good to go. What you're going to do then is print it out, and then we will actually cut it out and it will go on the wall next to your piece. Okay? If you have any issues or trouble, feel free to reach out to me or Mrs. Bussey. We will be able to get you squared up. and help you through the process. All right. So again, you need to create one of these for each of your pieces that you will have in the show. All right. So if you have 2 pieces, you need to have 2 artist statements. All right. Thanks. Hope everybody has a great day, and let me know if you got any questions. See ya.